Right now I'm going to show you how to use a feature in Smart Notebook software called the Magic Pen. The Magic Pen is located on the toolbar up at top. You'll see an icon of a pen with 3 stars. And that's really because the Magic Pen has 3 different functions depending on what you do after you press the button. Now, I'm going to show you an example of this. I'm going to maximize our screen, but that's okay because you can still access the Magic Pen tool from your floating toolbar. I have a pen in my hand. On the smartboard, you'll see a vocabulary exercise that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vocabulary words in red. As the students look at the entire paragraph, they could read the paragraph with the words. But let's say, as a teacher, you want to draw their attention immediately to one of the specific vocabulary words. Magic Pen is going to help you do that. Let's access the Magic Pen through our toolbar by pressing the Magic Pen tool button. Now, as I draw the circle, watch what's going to happen. An instant spotlight will surround the area that I circled, which immediately draws the student's attention to that area. When you're done with that, you can hit an X. I'm going to show you how to do that from the full screen, where we have the Magic Pen icon tool on the top of the toolbar. It's the same idea. Press the icon, circle the area you want spotlighted, and there you go. The great thing about it, too, is you can then take that area and with your finger slide around your page, showing them the different vocab words out of context. When you're done, you simply hit the red X. It's the Magic Pen tool, and it really gives you a quick and easy way to direct the kids' attention to that area. Now, remember I told you it has 3 functions. That's the first function. You draw a circle or an oval, and it gives you a spotlight feature. Let's say we want the kids in the back of the room to see a certain portion of our screen, then maybe the print is too small. No problem. We're going to hit the Magic Pen tool again. Now, instead of drawing a circle, we're going to draw a rectangle around the area you want to be magnified. And look at that. As soon as you do that, you instantly have a magnifying glass area where now that passage is jumping out. When you're done with it, all you're going to do is hit the X, and it goes back to normal. I'll show you how to do that one more time. Hit the Magic Pen tool, and wherever we draw a rectangle around, will get magnified. And at that point, you can take your magnifying portion and simply move it around the board. When you're done, hit the X and back to normal. The Magic Pen has a 3rd function. Let's say we just want to have some writing on the board where we don't really need to use it for the rest of the lesson. In this case, I need to remind myself how to maybe spell the word family, but I want to see it in print. So I ask myself, oh yeah, kids, how do we spell family? F-A-M-I-L-Y. But I'm not going to use that as part of my lesson, and as you can see, it's disappearing ink. So once again, the Magic Pen has 3 tools. If you draw a circle, a spotlight. If you draw a rectangle, a magnifying glass that you can then move around to read, and a neat little feature called disappearing ink, where the ink will disappear after a couple seconds, as you see here. Gone. The Magic Pen tool. Just another tool within Smart Notebook software to make your lessons more dynamic, more creative.